Greetings brothers and sisters, my name is Ekong and today's video is about what to feed babies. Now, anything that people that are alkaline are eating, babies should also be eating the same thing, but in puree form. So you can puree almost anything. You can puree quinoa, you can puree 𝐥𝐤𝐤, you can puree mushrooms. So for example, I'm gonna give you a quick recipe. Coconut milk and quinoa. You cook your quinoa as usual. 1 cup of quinoa, 2 cups of water. You cook your quinoa and then you prepare yourself some coconut milk from scratch if you can. You open the mature coconut, take out the nut, blend the nut with some water, strain that with a cheesecloth, and you've got your milk. And then you would put that milk with the quinoa into the blender and blend that, and use agave if you want. You could use dates if you want, or you can use nothing at all. I'd recommend you use nothing at all, because babies, they like to eat things bland. They don't know about, oh, this is too, I don't like this. Babies will eat what you give them, and they will eat what they like. They don't need any sugar, they don't need no salt in their food. CMOS. Let me play a clip of what Dr. Sebi says about CMOS and what he fed his child after breastfeeding.
What meals can we cook, can we make to make sure our children grow to be healthy, you know?
Very good. That's a very good question, my sister. I personally, when you ask Dr. Sebi that question, then I have to respond the way that I have seen it.
To watch this full video, please subscribe to our monthly subscription page, where you will have exclusive access to never seen before recipe videos, past and present workshops, podcasts, and much more. Content will be uploaded to the members only page every 2 weeks, accessible only to those who have subscribed to the People's Package. Subscribe and become a member today at 𝐸𝐷𝑇𝐿ive.𝑡𝑜𝑑𝑖E.com. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel called Etlntd. Love.